For this, basically we will be going for what is Hacktoberfest and basic Git instructions we will be doing, how we can push and pull our means the commands of the codes, and by what our pull request would be accepted, so that we can get the swags. So following agendas we will be going for the open source contributions. Then we will be giving a brief explanation on Hacktoberfest, and we'll be sharing a few codes what you will be using to upload your programs, and what are the basic guidelines for it. Let's see this next slide, please. Saurabh is there?
Hello.
Uh,
Yeah.
yes, Saurabh. Please explain the open source.
Yeah, sure. Hi guys. What like the theme of the Hacktoberfest is open source contribution. Okay, so open source contribution can be visualized as something like a project. ठीक है, जिसका कोड हमें मतलब ये कोड अवेलेबल है ओपनली, वो उस पर कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. जैसे नॉर्मल क्या होते हैं कि बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे एप्लीकेशंस बनते हैं जिसका कोड अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, लाइक वी आर नॉट नोन टू द how it's implemented or which language stacks are being used in that. But apart from that, on contrary, open source projects which are well known these days, okay, nobody goes for that sort of techniques right now. Everyone has switched to open source platforms because there are multiple benefits of it. We will be going through that, but let's first know what is open source and what we have to know about it. Okay, so there are generally two types of software, as I told. Okay, the proprieties are one of which the code is not being disclosed end use customers or developers. Okay, only the company who has developed it or the developers who have developed it know the code or have the code base. Okay, and these are softwares which released under a license in which the copyright holder grants users the right to use, study, change and distribute the software and its source code to anyone for any purpose. Open source software may be developed in a collaborative public manner. Like here, what happens is that we look forward to contribute in it. Like how we can contribute, we can suppose there is a application, suppose the Google Meet app feature, Google Meet application is open source available. Okay, now as an Android developer, what I will do is that I will try to implement some new features in Google Meet. Like I can have analytics feature of if how many students are active, or maybe the analytics of the participation of Google Meet can be added in a better way yeah, as of now. So these are the things which we can contribute as an open source contributor. For our study, we are a beginner or a newbie open source contributor, so we'll be walking you through the how to contribute to a first open source contribution. Okay, so yeah, now uh, yeah, so like understand that हमारा जो फर्स्ट ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा वो ऐसा कुछ बहुत बड़ा चीज नहीं हो सकता है ना. Like we cannot add any feature to an ongoing project or an application. Okay, so we will be looking forward to make some short scale or small scale open source contribution, and in this Hacktoberfest. And the basic requirement of Hacktoberfest is that we have to make at least 4 pull requests. What is a pull request? I will explain you in detail, but you can just visualize it as like we have to make 4 open source contributions to any projects, any valid project over the GitHub. Okay, GitHub is the web hosting service which hosts all open source projects. You can find any open source project over the GitHub mostly. Okay, can we change the slide? Yeah. What is Hacktoberfest? Hacktoberfest is an annual event conducted by DigitalOcean, and this time it's 8th year of Hacktoberfest being conducted. Hacktoberfest encourages newbies as well as professional open source contributors to participate in giving back to the open source community. Like we can like throughout the year, open source contributors are contributing to the open source world. So Hacktoberfest is a way to give them a kind of award they receive, or maybe you can also tell that to encourage newbies towards open source contribution. So, what is the basic requirement? Have a basic requirement of learning Git and GitHub. You need to have a basic understanding of Git and GitHub, because Git is a version control system, as well as GitHub is a online hosted web service of this version control system. लाइक हमारा जो कोड होता है, उसको हम लोग वर्जन कंट्रोल सिस्टम से क्या समझ पाते हैं कि वर्जन कैसे कंट्रोल करते हैं। उसका वर्जन 1 आया, उसका वर्जन 0.01 आया, उसका 0.02 आया, ऐसे करके वर्जन 2 तक आया, वर्जन 3 आया, ठीक है। तो हम लोग मल्टीपल वर्जन अभी क्रिएट करते हैं। अब सोचो कि अगर वर्जन कंट्रोल सिस्टम नहीं होता तो क्या होता कि हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट होता, हम उसको स्टोर करते कैसे। वर्जन 1 हमारा एक कॉपी रहता लैपटॉप में, जैसे तुम पीडीएफ फाइल ही हम लोग बनाते हैं, उसमें क्या करते हैं कि पीडीएफ में कुछ चेंजेस किए तो ये दिस इज CWC PDF1, CWC PDF2, CWC PDF2, ऐसे करते हैं हम लोग। मोस्ट वाले हम लोग करते हैं। या फिर इमेज को चेंज किए तो ये इमेज 1, इमेज 2, इमेज 3। तो ऐसे सोचो अगर बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं जिसमें 550 MB का अगर होता है, या फिर सोच लो कि 2 GB का ही एक प्रोजेक्ट है, तो उसको अगर हम लोग मल्टीपल कॉपीज में रखेंगे अपने सर्वर में या फिर लैपटॉप में, तो सोचो कितना वो स्पेस कंज्यूम करेगा। देयर इज द यूज ऑफ वर्जन कंट्रोल सिस्टम। यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि हम एक ही यूजिंग गिट, ओके, गिट इज अ पॉपुलर वर्जन कंट्रोल सिस्टम, देयर आर मेनी अदर थिंग्स, ओके। सो उससे क्या होता है कि हम एक ही फाइल्स में हम लोग ट्रैक रखते हैं कि हमने क्या क्या चेंजेस किया है थ्रू कमिट्स। आपको ये वर्जन कंट्रोल करने के और भी बहुत सारे उपाय हैं, बट जनरल ओवरव्यू के लिए हम कमिट्स के थ्रू, मतलब सपोज हम कुछ ऐड किए, हम एक फंक्शनैलिटी ऐड करते हैं, हम उसको कमिट करते हैं, तो वो हमारा ट्रैक हो जाता है कि लिस्ट में कि हमने ये चेंजेस किया है, ठीक है। उसको हम लोग जाएंगे। और गिटहब क्या होता है, गिटहब बेसिकली यही गिट जो हम लोग लोकल में यूज करते हैं। लोकल में एक चीज समझ लो कि लोकल जो होता है वो कंप्यूटर होता है, ठीक है। और रिमोट क्या होता है, कोई भी सर्वर जो कि होस्टेड है, ठीक है, कहीं पे होस्टेड है, हमें वो ब्राउजर में दिखता है, ये समझ लो, ठीक है। तो अब गिटहब क्या होता है कि वो उसी का वर्जन कंट्रोल सिस्टम का ही वेब फॉर्म है। हम जो अपना लोकल में जो देखते हैं या फिर कोड का जो बेस है, उसी को जब हम गिटहब में होस्ट करते हैं तो हम उसका विजुअलाइजेशन देख सकते हैं, एंड इवन कोड बेस भी वेब फॉर्म में देख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज।
Saurabh, actually, wait a minute. I have to show what basically they have to do, like about the fork and the commits, the git commands.
हाँ,
Like Kshitij, please stop. I am sharing now. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's
Yes,
visible.
it is visible.
Like see, this is the demo repo. Where we will this is the demo repo. Here we will be showing how you have to do, and this the wait a minute, and this the main repo where you have to contribute. Like see, like in the same format we have done. Sorry, and Kshitij and me, like in the same format. I have to do the demo. See, basically first you have to fork this repo. It's now fork Rituraj Gupta 21 demo, and now then clone it like I am cloning it as the documents. This is the script and the URL. See, now it's been cloned. You can see, yeah, demo is there. Wait a minute, let's see. Demo folder is created. Now switch to demo. And for the convenience, you can check only readme is there, which is same as here. Like here it's readme. Now we have to make a, like for you, we have to make a directory of my GitHub username. Like my GitHub username is Rituraj21. So I have created a directory of my username. Now I will switch to that. Now by creating a simple file, someone is there. Wait, sorry for the inconvenience. I have created this a.cpp. Now I will switch to VS Code. See, here I will write something XYZ. I am not writing a command in it. Will save it. It's now saved. Now basically I will go back to my home directory, that is demo. Then for your check what you have added, you can check. Like it's showing Rituraj Gupta is included, means nothing has added. I am adding all the files. Not yet. A.cpp is added. Now we have to commit. Any message you can write. Saurav or Chitish, can you please what will be the base requirement for the committed message?
You can like simply add any sort of comment, but preferred one will be added your username folder.
Okay, so I am writing here file, but you have to follow what Saurav has said. File added. Okay, like this, and next simply proceed to the it's now you can see a.cpp is created inside Rituraj21, like my directory. Now you just have to make a pull request. Open the pull request. Okay, create pull request. Here it will be your GitHub username. Create pull request. Now pull request has been opened. You can see it's Hackos, and here is the demo repo. Like the pull request created, mine is open here, and any of the admin will be merging it using the labels. This much only you have to do. Any confusion, then you can see.
Also, while pushing git push, you should use always git push origin branch name. Because
Okay.
we are pushing directly to main branch, we can use git push. But it recommend to push it to other demo branch because main branch is main. If you deleted any files or if your code is changed, you can modify to the previous stable version. But it is recommended to use a demo branch and push that.
Yeah. Actually, I was working on the main, so I have written the push, and in the slides it's written clearly. Like no issue,
Yes,
so you go
but
to that.
preferably use a demo branch so that you can also understand what to do with and what is the final code.
Yes. Now we can proceed. If anyone has no confusion, then we can proceed to the next slides. Or anyone have to ask anything?
Yes, anyone has any doubts?
I guess nothing is there.
Okay, Rituraj, continue.
Okay, continue. Chitish, now you can share the slides.
Okay.
See, it's the same process which the in the screen sharing I have told, but like you can go through it. Basically, we have to clone, like fork, then clone, then we will the repo name is Hacktoberfest21. So you have to switch to that directory and create a directory of your username, GitHub username. Make sure, because for making the pull request, it will be easier for us who have committed or not. Actually, next slide please. And the same process, like make the commit, the commands, git commands we have added here: git add, git commit, git push origin. See, this push origin, I guess Vinayak was talking about. Like, I am correct, Vinayak?
Yes, like I am going from serial wise. Like first you add, first you check the status of your files, like which files you have added or you modified there. To check that, we use git add dot. Dot is to add all the files, or instead you can add one file by giving their name. And git submit is explained by Rituraj. And now git push origin is git push origin and the branch name. May here main is the branch name, so we have written main. Or unless if you directly wants to push to the main, you can use git push. If you want to push to some other branches, like you are collaborating with others and you want only your code should be run, you can push to other branches. Then name it according to the branch name, like git push origin demo, something like that.
Now, as told, how to do the pull request, like you have to switch to your fork repo and then make the pull request from there, and any of the admins, there will be merging your PRs. Like we will giving the label Hacktoberfest accepted, and it will be merged. And the following thing you can check on the Hacktober website whether your successful pull request has been merged or not. From that you can see. Next slide, please. Guidelines.
These are the basic some guidelines for your contribution. Like you should have a GitHub username and some contributions. You should have a valid GitHub account. And then there is no restriction over language you should use to code. You can use any languages. And make sure that while contributing, you first fork the repo because you don't have access to directly push your code to main folder. So first fork it and then push it and then make a pull request.
And the requirement is we want to be working on any project, so depending upon your choice, you can make anything from Euler, Project Euler, HackerRank, CodeSafe, or any of the coding platform. Like any 4 questions you can make, and when you are making the last commit, please add your name in the contributors.md. So please go to the contributors, like what all you have to do.
Guys, if you don't add your username to the folder name, okay, matlab you don't name your folder to username, okay, then we won't be able to merge your pull request.
And after the last commit, you have to add your avatar and the your username, means your name here, like in the contributors.md file, and it should be in the same order as it's mentioned, because yeah, during the in the Hacktober website is clearly mentioned that they will be referring to the contributors MD file. So make sure to edit it at the last commit. You have to do this, not do the previously and afterwards.
Hope you understand. Any doubts? Guys, make it a interactive session. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask or chat. Yes means any solution means you have to do 4 questions of HackerRank and then make a pull request. You have to do 4 questions of CodeChef then make a pull request. Rituraj, you could explain more details.
Just no, Binayak. Actually, for the single questions, like, and it should not be a short one. Like, it should be a basic. Look like that they are using logic. After every single question, they have to make a PR. And it should be, and the logic should be like means broad base, like not the simple one, like giving a plus b program will not be acceptable. So that thing. And this is the repo link. You can go. I am also posting in the chat box. You can upload any solutions. Yes, Arman, but from the any coding platform itself, like not like the given you your assignment and you will be doing the copy paste and something like that. Alright, this is the end of slide. Thank you for connecting. If you have any questions, you may ask.
Yes, I can also share something like where to register or something.
Just a minute.
Just a minute. Is it visible? This is the site of Hacktoberfest. Now the start hacking has not started. It will start from 1st October to 31st October. But remember, it is on. You will get a T-shirt after completing 4 pull requests, but only for first 55,000 members. So be quick and not spam the Hacktoberfest. Like you added a name in your README file and then made a pull request. It should not be like that. You should have a thinking of contributing in open source. Like I contributed, Rituraj has a folder in which his app bar is little big. So I made it small and contributed it. Like that, please contribute in Hacktoberfest. Don't spam it because the main feel enjoyment of Hacktoberfest is to contribute in open source. While contributing to open source, you will get a T-shirt. That's it. This is a website. On 1st October, it will open for start hacking. Click that. It will you will allow the GitHub authentication. It will take it and just fill the details, and you are ready to make 4 pull requests. After 4 pull requests are made, there will be some authentication bots which will be valid till 7 days. After that, you will get a report that which pull requests were merged or which pull requests were spammed, or if you successfully completed 4 pull requests, you are eligible for a T-shirt. That's it. I am sharing this link in the chat box. You can refer. Any doubts? Guys, feel free यार. इतना सेशन करवाए हैं, कुछ तो बोल दो. यार समझ आया, समझ नहीं आया. जितन जितब समझ आया, कुछ तो बोलो यार.
अरे नहीं आया तो एक तरीका है, ड्रैग ड्रॉप अपना सबसे बेस्ट.
हाँ, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हो, बट डिथ इज मोस्ट, बिकॉज ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप में तुम ओनली हार्डली 10 MB फाइल डाल सकते हो या कुछ लिमिटेशन है, उतना ही डाल सकते हो. बट डिथ एंड डिथअप का तुम लोग अपने से डाल सकते हो. और एक तो एक ट्रिक है, मतलब तो तुम लोगों को पता है कि नहीं, बट तुम लोग डायरेक्टली कमांड CMD से कर सकते हो. लाइक ये मेरा फोल्डर है, मैं अपना इसको फोर्क करना चाहता हूँ. ये किया, यहाँ कोड में फोर्क कर लो. फिर यहाँ में ये कोई भी फोल्डर बना सकते हो या अपने आप वो फोल्डर क्रिएट कर देता है. यहाँ CMD लिख के तुम लोग डायरेक्ट इस डायरेक्टरी में आ सकते हो, rather than यहाँ स्टार्ट बटन से CMD कर. तो यहाँ git clone करो और ये क्लोन हो जाएगा. क्लोन होने के बाद यहाँ तुम अपना कुछ भी कोड कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. अगर तुम इस फोल्डर में करना चाहते हो डायरेक्ट यहाँ CMD लिख दो, अपने आप ये पाथ आ जाएगा. ये एक छोटा सा ट्रिक है, तुम लोग यूज कर सकते हो. और अगर किसी को और ओपन सोर्स मतलब ओपन सोर्स में इंटरेस्ट है या क्या क्या प्रोग्राम्स है ओपन सोर्स में, ये मेरा GitHub लिंक है. इसमें तुम लोगों का मोस्ट मतलब ये सब 4 GitHub है, सो दैट यू कैन ऑल गेट अपडेटेड. ये इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स है लाइक MLH ओपन सोर्स फेलोशिप, ये आउटसाइड फॉर इंडिया है. और ये सब इंडिया के लिए ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन है, लाइक ब्यूटीफुल ओपन सोर्स. ये बॉस कोडिंग ब्लॉट्स करवाता है, which may not know that it's a platform where you can learn many courses. फिर फसेशिया है, हैक्टोबरफेस्ट है, 24 पुल रिक्वेस्ट प्रोग्राम है, ऐसा बहुत सारा. ड्यूल स्ट्रिप समर ऑफ कोड है. फिर मेन ओपन सोर्स का गूगल समर ऑफ कोड रहता है, वो बिगेस्ट ओपन सोर्स बोल सकते हो। एंड उसका वैल्यू मजे मतलब तुमको करने में इतना मजा आएगा ना कि यू विल बी प्राउड टू डू ओपन सोर्स। उसका अपना भी ये है कि तुमको करने से कुछ प्राइजेस मिलता है, बट प्राइजेस उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बट तुमको पहले उसके लिए पहुंचना पड़ेगा। सो उसका भी एक वेबसाइट है, तुम जी सॉट मारोगे तो मिल जाएगा। ऐसा बहुत सारा ओपन सोर्स प्रोग्राम है, लाइक जी सॉट, आउटरीची, एमएलएच फेलोशिप भी है ओपन सोर्स। सो एक्सप्लोर दैट, क्योंकि ओपन सोर्स करने से तुमको पता चल जाएगा कि तुमको कौन सा लैंग्वेजेस आता है। जैसा तुम दूसरा का कोड देख के बता सकते हो कि अरे ये कोड ये वाला ऐप में ऐसा हो रहा है, इसको थोड़ा साइज छोटा कर दें, या इसका ये कलर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, इसको और कर सकते हो, ताकि तुम लोगों का कंट्रीब्यूशन दूसरे को भी फायदा हो। ये ओपन सोर्स का मेन रीजन है। तुम लोगों का एक फीचर मिलियंस ऑफ यूजर्स को हेल्प कर देगा, और किसी को कोई फोर्स भी नहीं कर रहा कि तुम ही को करना है, तुमको नहीं करना है। तुमको अगर अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ इश्यूज में, यहाँ कमेंट्स में कर दो, यहाँ इश्यूज में ये कर दो, यहाँ इश्यूज नहीं है बट इश्यूज में डाल दो कि आई एम इंटरेस्टेड, कैन यू असाइन कर, और तुम लोगों को वो इश्यू असाइन हो जाएगा और यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग। ये सब ओपन सोर्स को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए, और GitHub इज द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म टू ओपन सोर्स, क्योंकि GitHub में हर ओपन सोर्स का कोड रहता है, सो यू कैन एक्सप्लोर इट। दैट्स इट।
ऋतु, ये जो हमारा जो कोड बेस है, गिटहब का जो रिपोजिटरी है, उसमें के इश्यूज में कमेंट भी चल रहा थे। लाइक एनीबडी हैज डाउट देन ही कैन जस्ट रेज एन इशू, एंड ये वही थ्रेड पे कमेंट्स होंगे सारे।
इश्यूज ओपन है सर, इश्यूज
या फिर क्लब की मतलब ग्रुप है उसी में पूछेंगे डायरेक्टली।
वेट कीजिए बस। हाँ यस सर, हाँ नो प्लीज। हेलो।
हेलो, हाँ।
हाँ सर, क्या बोल रहे थे वो सर?
बोलो।
मैं बोल रहा था कि अगर लाइक इफ एनीवन हैज डाउट, शुड वी लाइक जस्ट प्रोविजन यू द इशू सेक्शन फॉर योर डाउट सपोर्ट? Like if you have any doubt, you can directly create an issue and just for a particular doubt type, okay, you can create an issue and yeah, on like related doubts can be just threaded in the same issues as comments.
Yes, we can.
Because
Yes, Saurabh, we can do like there will be no problem for doing that. तो
एक बार ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप फीचर वाला दिखा दो इनको।
ड्रैग ड्रॉप
वो
फीचर,
मतलब
एक मिनट।
ओके, आई एम सेइंग इट।
तुम्हारा स्क्रीन शेयर है क्या? ठीक है, तुम
हाँ,
कर दो।
कर रहा हूँ। Is it visible?
Is it क्षितिज?
Yeah. Guys, currently Rituraj, Vinayak and Saurabh Behra explain the process of how we can use Git and GitHub. Yeah, how can we commit all things by using Git. Now I'm showing the easy process, that is drag and drop. Just see the example. This is our repository where we have to pull request. I will fork this folder, this repository in my personal GitHub account. Now it's forking. After that, I want to add files. See, just like I have to create files. First of all, I have to give the name of folder, that I will give my username of GitHub. After putting slash, it will go. And after that, I solve question from Euler problems. If you solve from HackerRank, HackerEarth, you have to make that folder, just like. From there, I have made a problem one. Normally, problem1.java. Now directly I can also write here code. Just see, in my local system already I have did this thing, did solve these problems. Normally I can copy it from my local system and directly paste it. After that, I can also by adding any comment you can commit for the pull request. And there is also one more process. Just see, you go on add file here. Suppose now I'm interested in adding another folder. So see, if now I want to add my problem number 6. Normally I will drag and drop here. Here see, a problem 6.java is already appeared here. Now you can also comment here by your username, just like example, and you can also commit for pull request. Now see, in Kshitij, there are two files. Now if we are going to its demo, and now we are going to pull request,
Okay.
we can easily show and accept that those by levels.
Kshitij,
Is what okay? It
Chit-
is it is what okay?
yes, Kshitij, please tell about the issues like issue causes, like which Saurabh was telling. What they can do, means how they can create a issue. Like in the, I guess for that in the demo only, if they will be doing it will be best.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they can also fix their issue. If they have any doubt, then they can please ask in chat box.
Guys, please respond.
Guys, any of you have any doubt?
Guys, please
Yeah.
respond. बोलो.
There means what we have to do in that October the 21.
Hacktoberfest.
Yes, we
Basically, in Hacktoberfest, you have to create 4 pull requests in GitHub throughout the open source platform GitHub, where your 4 pull requests got submitted, then you will get a free T-shirt. The pull requests are the part that like you want to contribute. Like Rituraj wants to contribute to my repository. He have changes some code. He have changed my code and he wants to add them to my database. So he will create a pull request because he cannot directly access my code. Otherwise, everyone can change my code and it shouldn't work. So he creates a pull request and I check that like it can be modified or not. After it's successfully done, we can merge it. So that my code also updated with the Rituraj what he have contributed. That is called a pull request. Rituraj, you can even explain further.
yes, yes. There is a query how to raise an issue in like I am sharing with the Netflix. See, basically regarding the issue, you don't have to do much. My screen is visible.
Yes.
It's visible.
Like see, from the starting, like see this the repo. Here there is issue set. From there, new issue. Like title for issue. Like I am giving XYZ and a comment. See, so just simple for the submit new issue. Now anyone can come to the repo and see what the issue has been raised, uh, and give the comment. Like Vinayak, could you please give any?
Sorry, can you share the link?
Okay, okay. Right in the chat box.
Refresh it. I have committed.
Okay, see, like I have raised the issue and Vinayak has answered to it. Hello, I want to contribute. Like in this way, we can communicate with each other easily. Like you will be giving a title to your issue and what's your exact issues, you write in the comment section, and any one of us, any one of the fellow who knows about it will be replying to it. Abhilasha, I guess now it's fine.
Ritu, you can even assign it. It should like
Just
you can
Ritu, share
assign.
the repository. Refresh it.
Yes. Are you taking over the assigns?
In the issues, not for this, I created a new issue.
Okay. Oh,
Like guys, see, as a project owner, what I have done is that I want Python solutions for yes, some of the problems. Okay, and what I have instructed is that you need to create a folder with your username. Okay, now what will happen is that now somebody from here will comment on it, like please assign me this task. Okay, if he's like she is available to do the problem. Okay, so what I will do is that I will assign the username or the person with the same task, and he will perform it. Okay, like this is the basic kind of usage of the issues.
okay. Like
Like suppose someone comments over there, I can assign him the task, and he will be working upon that task specifically.
like on current 1 minute, my mic is on. Like I am assigning this to Chitij. Wait, is assigned. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Chitij has been assigned for this.